Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Stock Market Show. Let's talk about Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm kidding. It's Bbai, Bigbear.Ai, Big Bear Holdings. Guys, the market is getting ready for that next leg up. Remember, when Bbai was tanking, I kept talking about Bitcoin. I kept pointing to Bitcoin, telling you guys, hey, if Bitcoin keeps tanking, you better believe that Bbai is going to tank. And some of you were asking me, well, what does one have to do with the other? My friend, when the markets tank, guess what? Bbai is going to follow down. Now, when the markets rally, Bbai is going to follow the markets up. So now that we got earnings out of the way, which is what I was waiting for. I was waiting for earnings to get the hell out of here. A lot of stocks had a lot of earnings. IonQ, SoundHound, Bbai, and a bunch of other ones that are my favorites had earnings, and that's very annoying. I just wanted to get this out of the way. If it's going to dump it. If it's going to pump it. I just wanted to get it done and over with so we can finally rely only on the market price action influencing the stock's move. So again, it's just consolidating here at the top of the range. This will break out and get that 20% move. That is my opinion. I could be wrong. Maybe this is the one time that I'm just a huge idiot, but I don't see how it doesn't, right? Nvidia getting ready to break all-time highs. Bitcoin is at 80K, getting ready to go. Oops, that's the wrong stock. Bitcoin at 80K, getting ready to break out and go to 90, right? Look at that. If it breaks out, we're going to 85, then 90. Right? Remember when I told you guys, if Bitcoin's tanking, Bbai is going to follow, right? When Bbai was going sideways like this, what did Bbai do? I mean, what was Bitcoin doing? Also going sideways. Shocker. So look at this. This is consolidating up here at local highs, getting ready to make that next move higher. So that is what we're seeing here. I know you're thinking, what does one have to do with the other? My friend, if the markets as a whole are tanking, you better believe Bbai is going to tank. But that was back then. We are in a bull run. Don't forget. Some of you forget. Some of you are so scarred from the previous bear market that you forget what it's like to be in a bull market. Everything does what? It just keeps going higher. You can see that. Right? The stock refuses to go lower. It just keeps creating new lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. I mean, this was the chance right here to really drop it, and it didn't. It is holding up because this is a bull run. Some of you forget the bull run is the opposite, right? We keep going down, keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. Now it's going to keep going up, keep going up, keep going up. I believe we will see $7 and then potentially 10 again. It's always done this after a huge crash, right? 10, huge crash to 2.5 and then rallies back to 950. Unfortunately, then we crashed in October, so we never got to see if we were going to go above 10. But there you go. I mean, this is the pattern we're in. Don't forget that we also have that weekly time frame. Beautiful, beautiful weekly time frame here. If we break out above 4, look at this. This happens, guys. It's a 20% move. Monthly time frame, buy low, sell high, classic. You can see we got the support down here, and we got a box of resistance up here. And I always like to grab my arrow tool and point to everything and go, okay, so if you're stupid, you buy up here, right? You buy up here at the top because you're an idiot. But if you're smart, you buy down here where it's nice and cheap and discounted, right? Like someone explain to me who buys the fuck all the way up here. I don't get it. I don't understand. But this is definitely a buy down here. This is it. This is what we wanted to see. This looks exactly like, can you guess what this looks like? Surprise, surprise, it looks exactly like SoundHound. Holy shit. Why do stocks follow one another? I don't know, but they do, and I'm here for it. You can see SoundHound, same exact pattern, runs huge to $20, comes back under 10, back to $20, back under 10, and we would expect a rinse and repeat of that pattern, whether it's SoundHound, whether it's Bbai, whether it's Sybil, right? Sybil, same exact shit. Guys, this is not complicated. This is easy. And if you don't see the patterns, again, you might need to, I don't know, you might need to go to a mental ward and tell them, I am stupid. Please just euthanize me. I am now a cat or whatever. That is probably the worst thing I've ever said. That is it for the video. I'll see you in the next one.